Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video we have seen how to capitalize the string, right? So in this video what we'll do is we'll look into few more built-in methods which are available in Python for strings. So in this let's here I'm taking three different strings to test to check few things, like let's say here what I'm doing is, so let's check whether we have an option called is alpha. So what this will do is whether all the elements are present which are present in the particular string or alphabetics or not, it will check. So let's try the same for y. If you see for y, it is writing as false because those are not alphabetics, those are digits. So let's try the same for z. Here also it is writing false because even though we have all the alphabetics, but still what is alpha will check is like whether all the elements which are present inside the string are alphabetics or not. So this is what. So now our next method we have something called, let me take the both same things again and let me try. So now we have some another option called is numeric. So what this one will do exactly is, let me copy this and paste over here and see. So is numeric is like opposite to alphabetics. In is alpha will check whether alphabets are present or not, and is numeric will check whether numbers are present in our list or not, on in our particular string or not. So let's try the same for z as well. If you see z, it is writing false. So if you see for x and y, we have alpha. In x we have all the alphabetics, but when it comes to z we have combination of both, but when it comes to y we have only numeric. So that is the reason it is writing true for y. So this is all guys, this is all about is checking whether characters alphabetics are present in the string or not, and numerics are present in the string. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll meet in the next video.